All right, y'all, it's the Data Finance, Matt Ron. I just wanted to talk about a couple things. First is, don't you always hear about, hey, if you just click in the link below, there's a link down there for 2 free stocks that are worth $1,000. If you just click the link on Webull, you always hear that, or you hear, hey, just click the link below. You get up to $250 of Bitcoin if you click the link below. And what that is it's just marketing. They're just marketing themselves. You click that link, it's their specific referral code. And if you click it and then you join up, they also get stocks, they also get Bitcoin. And you can do the same thing too. So make sure that you just join up with one of the stock portfolios like Robinhood, Webull, Public.com, any of those, and you can do the same thing. Even E-Trade has one. You don't get free stocks, but you can get some money if you put some in there. Bitcoin, you can do Gemini, you can do BlockFi, Voyager, any of those you can put the money into. And once you sign up and you put some money into it, they get Bitcoin, you get Bitcoin, and everyone wins. And you can do the same thing too if you have a big Twitter or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. You can put in there that you want to link to it. You can put a link in there that has your specific referral code. And that's another way just to make money. All right, y'all, just want to let y'all know that's what others are doing. So hit the link below in mine, and there's a bunch in there. I've got Amazon in there, I've got Robinhood, Webull, BlockFi, and a bunch of different links in there just to get you started. All right, touch the like button and subscribe. Thank y'all so much. Have a good one. Bye.